Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix can't unlock camera in League of Legends. Stuck with a locked camera in League of Legends? Here's how to fix it and regain full control of your gameplay. First of all, check if your camera is manually locked. Look for the camera icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. If it's yellow, click it to unlock. If that doesn't work, check your key bindings, go to settings, then hotkeys, and make sure a key is assigned to toggle camera lock. By default, it's Y press it in game to unlock your camera. Still having issues? Sometimes bugs can cause this problem. Try restarting your game or updating your client to the latest version. And that's it. You are all set to freely explore the Rift. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.